Welcome to Innotech TV. I'm Stefan, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's been generating a lot of buzz lately: jobs that AI will never replace. Now, you've probably seen the headlines about AI taking over everything from writing code to composing music. Yeah, it's pretty wild what AI can do these days, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype. But today we're going to hit pause on the robot takeover narrative and talk about something AI can't replicate: the human element. Let's explore those professions where human skills reign supreme. AI might be able to process language and maybe even mimic human conversation, but can it truly understand and respond to the complexities of human emotion? Doubtful. A therapist provides a safe and supportive space for their patients, offering empathy, active listening, and personalized guidance that goes way beyond anything an algorithm can offer. That human connection, that ability to understand and respond to unspoken cues, that's irreplaceable. Teaching isn't just about delivering information, it's about inspiring a love of learning, nurturing curiosity, and adapting to the unique needs of each student. A teacher's ability to connect with their students on a personal level, to identify their strengths and weaknesses, and to create a dynamic and engaging learning environment, that's something AI can't replicate. AI can generate images and compose music, sure. But art is about so much more than technical execution. It's about expressing the depths of human emotion, experience, and imagination. The raw emotion, the personal journey woven into every brushstroke or melody, that's the essence of art. And that, my friends, can only come from the human experience. Chapter 4: Chef, Culinary Arts Beyond the Algorithm. Look, I'm sure AI can generate thousands of recipes, but a true chef's creativity extends far beyond following instructions. It's about experimenting with flavors, understanding how ingredients interact, and adapting to create a unique culinary experience. And then there's the human element of taste. AI can analyze chemical compositions, but can it truly the subtle nuances of a dish, the way the flavors dance on your tongue? Nope. Chapter 5: Journalist, Truth, Integrity, and the Human Touch. Journalism is more than just aggregating data and spitting out articles. It's about uncovering the truth, even when it's buried deep. It's about verifying information, providing context, and presenting it in a way that informs and engages the public. AI can help with research, maybe even write a basic news report, but it can't replicate the critical thinking, ethical judgment, and human understanding that are so crucial to journalistic integrity. Chapter 6: Nurse, the Healing Power of Human Touch. Nursing is a profession deeply rooted in empathy, compassion, and human connection. While AI can assist with tasks like monitoring vital signs and administering medication, it can never replace the comforting presence of a human nurse. The ability to provide emotional support, to offer a listening ear, to hold a patient's hand during a difficult time, that level of human care is paramount to the healing process. Social work demands a deep understanding of human behavior, social systems, and the challenges individuals face. It requires building trust, navigating complex emotions, and advocating for those in need. While AI can assist with data analysis and resource allocation, it lacks the empathy, cultural sensitivity, and nuanced understanding of human experience that are so crucial in social work. Chapter 8: Lawyer, the Law and Human Interpretation. The legal system is incredibly complex, requiring not just knowledge of the law, but also the ability to interpret and apply it to specific cases. Lawyers argue on behalf of their clients, present evidence, and navigate the intricacies of legal proceedings. AI can help with legal research and document review, but it can't replace the human judgment, strategic thinking, and persuasive skills of a skilled lawyer. Chapter 9: Scientist, the Curiosity Engine. Science is driven by an insatiable curiosity, a desire to understand the world around us and push the boundaries of human knowledge. It requires formulating hypotheses, designing experiments, and interpreting complex data. AI can be a powerful tool for analyzing data, but it can't replicate the intuition, creativity, and critical thinking that lead to groundbreaking scientific discoveries. Chapter 10. Entrepreneur, the Visionaries. Entrepreneurs are the risk-takers, the innovators, the ones who see opportunities where others see obstacles. They possess a unique combination of vision, creativity, and resilience, driving progress and shaping the future. AI can analyze market trends, but it can't replicate the human intuition, passion, and adaptability that are essential for entrepreneurial success. Outro, the future is human. So, as you can see, while AI is rapidly changing the world, there are certain aspects of the human experience that it just can't replicate. The jobs we've discussed today all require a deep well of human skills, empathy, creativity, critical thinking, and the ability to connect with others on a meaningful level. These are the skills that will always be in demand, regardless of how advanced technology becomes. So, instead of fearing the rise of the machines, let's embrace the uniquely human qualities that make us irreplaceable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you next time on Innotech TV.